Are city girls really harder to date than province girls?
If I were to date a city girl or a province girl, I would trust the province girl.
Why?
Or, no, I don't know. Maybe because
Province girls are easy to get than city girls. City girls have a standard compared to province girls.
Would you trust a city girl or province girl more in a relationship? What are your names and ages?
My name is Angeline and 24 years old.
My name is MJ, 22 years old.
First question is, are city girls really harder to date than province girls?
I think it's a yes because city girls have a standard compared to province girls because province girls are easy to get than city girls. So that's it.
Okay. Can you tell us some standards? The one that you said, standards.
Standards like for example, a guy must have a provider mindset, just like that. So yan lang.
Is it a yes or no? Do you think city girls are really harder to date than province girls?
Yes, I think yes. Because actually we're same answer. Because city girl has a standard because they don't settle for less, diba? And province girls they contented for what they have.
Do city girls care more about money than love?
What do you mean by
Like they care more about money than love. They don't care about if they're in love or not. They care more about the money.
yung city girls?
Yes.
I don't think so. It depends on that specific person kasi. So, parang ganun.
Okay.
Ganun.
Me too, cause I don't judge person, especially me since I'm here in province. So I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. Would you trust a city girl or province girl more in a relationship?
I think I would trust city girls. City girls. Because ang hirap explain. Because they have this quality of or character that trustworthy. Parang ganun.
I think I choose province girl.
You trust a Filipina from the province in a relationship more because
Province girls kasi ibang magmahal, kumbaga unconditional.
because province girls they love unconditional. Okay. Last question. Do city girls care more about career than relationships?
As I've said, it depends on the person. But since city girls, I think city girls is more likely on career mindset because they have this kind of mindset that they shouldn't be poor. Just like that. Ang ganun.
Actually same kasi ang mostly sa mga nasa cities is ang mindset is business.
Okay.
And mag-create ng money and mag-build ng career nila.
So she said that mostly women from the city, they are more into like business, building business, money, more about money. Okay. I have a bonus question. Is it true city girls are more independent and less submissive?
I think yes, because city girls also acquire having the personality of being an independent rather compared to province girls.
Okay. So if a foreigner is looking for a partner, a wife or a girlfriend, should he go to the province or city?
Depends on his how they call this one? Depends on his reference or type of a girl. If he prefer vocal or like parang liberal, they liberated. I think he would choose city girl. Pero if he wants a girl that is very naive, don't have any ideas at all, I think he he should choose province girl.
You're from the city, right?
Ah, yes po.
And you are from the province.
Yes.
Which province, ma'am?
Here lang din sa Pili.
Oh, you're from Pili. Okay, both singles or are you in a relationships? Like, do you have boyfriends, dating, what?
Taken.
Single.
How long have you been single, ma'am?
Almost 8 years.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm May, 28 years old.
May, are city girls really harder to date than province girls?
I don't know where to get that, but I would say yes. City girls are harder to date nowadays. Yeah. Maybe because city girls have lesser time to focus on dating. They prefer other hobbies like running or going to the gym and hiking, trekking. Yeah.
Running. Mom just came from running. Yeah. Okay. Why do foreigners always say province Filipinas are more traditional?
Traditional, yeah. I would say yeah. Traditional. Why? Maybe because we are still surrounded by people who still practice traditional values, especially in dating.
Do city girls care more about money than love?
City girls care more about money. I wouldn't say money per se, but we are just being practical.
Do you think the majority of city girls are like that? Like, they're practical?
I wouldn't. But I'm not saying entirely, but majority of the city girls.
Okay. Would you trust a city girl or a province girl more in a relationship?
If I were to date a city girl or a province girl, I would trust the province girl.
Why?
Or no, I don't know. Maybe because of course in the city there are more temptations compared to the girls in the province.
So, cannot be trusted fully.
If you are referring to cheating, I don't know. I can't say.
Do city girls care more about career than relationships?
Yes. Right now, as I can see, city girls prefer to focus more on their career to prosper. I think a lot women are single now because they are focusing more on their career.
Why is that?
As I said, maybe they are just being practical.
You're 28 years old, mom. You mentioned earlier. Working now or
Working and single.
how long have you been single?
Maybe 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years.
That long.
Okay. So, let's say you, mom. Okay, I forgot the question. Okay. Do you think is it really harder to date you? Like, if let's say a foreigner is looking for a Filipina, do you think is it harder for you to
Me, personally, actually, I'm easy to impress. But I'm not being picky. But of course, as I said, we're being practical. We can just date anyone.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, mom. We really appreciate your honesty and your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.